Our next segment is with my good friend Randle Salsberry from R&L Manufacturing in Washington. And Randle's been a big fan of the Alliance for PE Pipe for many years. Welcome to the show.
Well, thank you very much, very much.
You know, now your sons are in the business, and I have really enjoyed getting to know you and your companies your products over time, and your company has been very supportive of the Alliance.
Oh, well, we're a small business, and my sons are here now, and we appreciate the Alliance because they carry us along so well. And there's a lot of big companies, but even the small ones are here.
Right.
And we enjoy that.
Has the Alliance been good for your business?
Huge,
Yeah?
huge.
How so?
Well, I put it in one word, credibility. Alliance gave us the credibility and exposure that we wouldn't have before, and that was huge.
Yeah. Well, we're thankful for that, and we're thankful for you. And you know, you supported this latest initiative that we're embarking upon, and we're very grateful. One of the topics that I've really had fun with, Randle, over the last 18 months during COVID is the whole big pipe thing. You know, and we are slowly taking share away from steel and concrete in the large diameter transmission main projects. You guys are interested in that market as well.
Oh gosh, yes. We've developed, now we're into de-beading equipment. That's our product, bead trimmers. And we developed a new larger series called the Mega Large.
Mega Large. Okay.
Yeah, and we go up from, the Mega Large series goes from 24-inch up to 54-inch diameter pipe. So we're able to get in a whole new product line there. And we're hitting a lot of new business with that.
Really?
Yeah.
So, I mean, I carry your stuff on my truck, Randle. I don't know that I really want to carry a 54-inch tool. Tell me about the tool.
Well, it comes in two packages. One tool is in itself, and then also the operator control box, and which has 250 feet of extension hoses. We actually gone as far deep in the pipeline as 500 feet.
Seriously?
Yes, with one run.
How do you turn a tool at 500 feet? I mean, the lag, I mean, there must be an incredible amount of lag.
Actually, there isn't. When you're doing the Mega Large, we have basically it's pneumatic powered for the cutter system, and then the gear system with the handles, so it's easy. There's a reduction, so there's no stress in turning the head.
Wow. Well, we did, 6 months ago, we did what we called Summer Spotlight, where it was a full day of demos, and we had like 32 demos, and we only messed up one. And that's because we didn't have the proper tooling to hold a big piece of pipe that we tried to do a demo. Please don't ask me to do a demo on a 54-inch.
Well, okay, we'll drop it down to 36, but that's fine. No, we really do like to try to get our big demos out, but it's hard to get that big equipment out on a show. So we do have video on our website. People can see what it does in operation.
Cool. So if I want to learn more about your products, where do I go? What's your web address?
It's rlmfg.com.
rlmfg.com. Well, Randle Salsberry, anything else you'd like to add here before we close out this segment?
Well, I just got to push that Alliance is the team to join. This is it right here. We wouldn't have been here without Alliance.
Yeah, well, thank you for that, and we are very grateful for all of our members, Randle, but certainly the smaller ones where we know it's a significant commitment of your marketing dollars.
It's the best commitment.
Yeah. Well, good for you.
You bet.
Thanks, man.
All right.
All right, with that, podcast fans, we're going to move on to the next segment. Thank you, Randle Salsberry.